Oh, hot. Hey everybody, it's Midnight Weekend.
Hi!
How's it going?
We've been seeing a lot about these hot chocolate bombs all over TikTok, and we decided to try to make some.
And then it goes kablooey, hot chocolate.
Stay tuned to the end because we're going to be adding some variation to the hot chocolate bomb, say with some matcha
Yum.
or whiskey liqueur.
Oh yeah.
Let's get started. We have some melted chocolate here. Let's fill them up. Here's a spoon for you.
Thank you.
Spoon for me. Blah. Putting it in these molds.
Use the back of the spoon to push it around up towards the edge.
Oh, I like what you're doing. I put a little bit of milk chocolate and also dark chocolate in here. I thought maybe the milk chocolate itself would be a little too sweet. Well, hey, this is filling out nicely.
I think I did it.
Yay! We gotta put this in the fridge.
And then layer it again. Now we're doing the second layer.
We can do this.
We can do this. Difficulty level, easy. We still need to hope for the best in trying to get this out.
Hey, it's working. Wait, let me hope.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
The plate.
You gotta put the ingredients in.
Oh
Put the ingredients in.
Oh my gosh, I got it.
All right, I'll go hot. You go ingredients. I'm picking it up. I'm ready.
Wow. So Paul and I enjoy an occasional drink, so we thought we would make an adult version.
This one is gonna feature a whiskey liqueur.
This chocolate base has a sea salt caramel mixed into it.
I don't even know if this is coming out.
Oh man. Oh.
Did you quack it? Here's some coffee.
I don't
Here
think
goes.
this is
It's going in.
salvageable.
Adding some more of this. Oh yeah.
It's a baby Yoda crib.
We're moving on to the third one. It is the white chocolate matcha chocolate bomb chocolate hot chocolate white chocolate bomb.
We're moving on to the final one, and it's going to be a matcha latte bomb.
Oh, that's what it's called.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh my god, this looks like split pea soup, but in an appetizing way. I was saying it's thick, but you know what? It's actually pretty thin.
8:01 p.m.
We have... I don't know what we have anymore. It's been a few iterations, but I think we've got the concoction down.
We're going to be making, actually it's really a chocolate bomb now, isn't it?
We had to add more regular chocolate because white chocolate is really difficult to work with, especially trying to put it up against the walls of these domes.
Half white chocolate and half dark chocolate. Hopefully it works.
3:28.
All right, third time's the charm. Final one, we're gonna be making a hot matcha chocolate bomb.
Chocolate on the outside is still gonna be dark brown chocolate, right?
Yeah, we're thinking of putting matcha goodies on the inside.
Mine's okay.
Mine's okay.
Could be worse. It could definitely be worse.
I mean, this is our third time making it, so I think we got it.
Oh yeah? Who's counting? Nobody's counting. Not me.
All right, let's put it in the fridge.
Next day.
All right, we're back. We gave the chocolate some time to cool down, and now we gotta peel it out. So
Yay.
let's do that. Ooh, this polar bear is hot.
He is. He's a hot bear.
This one's easier than the other one.
We were partially inspired by Earth Cafe here in Los Angeles for this flavor because they have this crazy bubble tea that's like chocolate matcha.
Coffee,
Oh,
boba,
there's coffee in there.
everything under the sun type of drink. I ordered it once.
It turned out delicious. You
It was
really
pretty
liked
good,
that.
right?
Ooh.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Da-da. Nice.
Matcha milk candy, crushed. All right, that's enough. That should be enough.
And then I've got Hello Kitty matcha green tea marshmallows.
Oh, yum. And then we'll pour some more matcha in there just for good measure.
Right, because the recipe calls for hot cocoa powder, so we're just going to be pouring some matcha powder in there. Are we pros at making hot chocolate bombs?
No, we are not. We are definitely the opposite of pros.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Oh my god, we did it. We made hot chocolate
I'm
bath
so
bombs.
proud of us.
Oh yeah,
They
we
look
made it.
beautiful. They
do look cool.
They look like planets.
They do. I like planets. Uranus, Mercury,
Oh.
Earth. It's a party. This one was the first one, and then this one has some whiskey liqueur.
Yeah.
Sea salt caramel chip.
We dusted it with a little cinnamon and cayenne.
Mmm.
It's an adult chocolate bomb.
That's what gives it that fire! So the last one, we have a matcha hot chocolate ball. And then inside, we have a matcha-filled marshmallow. A few of those, and some more matcha. And then some matcha candy, hard candies crushed crushed. And then on top, we drizzle more matcha and white chocolate, and the toss it with more matcha. It's just a matcha. It's a lot to take in. Let's ball! Jigga 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 jigga.
The first one is the adult hot chocolate bomb, and we have some hot coffee to go along with this.
Sweet, let's do this.
Oh my gosh. Wow! Oh, it's bubbling. It worked! These marshmallows keep going crazy. They're just like sprouting.
Wow.
The cinnamon really kind of hits your
Yeah, it
nose.
does. It's very herbaceous.
I'm excited for this one because it's got whiskey inside. Hello.
Ooh. Yeah?
This is good.
Yeah? I like
Ooh.
having marshmallows in my coffee. We're missing out on the chocolate. Ooh, hello. Okay, let me try this.
Get it.
Oh, it's a mocha.
It's a mocha.
And now, Matcha Latte Chocolate Bomb.
Yum.
Yeah, let's do this.
Ooh. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh!
Those marshmallows are huge.
You know what it looks like? 3 guys in an onsen.
How appropriate. Holy crap. There's so much going on at the bottom.
You really have to stir, though.
Ooh, this really is reminding me of that Earth Cafe drink, isn't it?
I want a marshmallow. Can you feed a marshmallow?
Yeah, I can. You want it right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, you can see the matcha peeping from one side.
Mmm. Oh, I got candy, too.
Yum.
Oh crap, that's a treat. I feel like I'm in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory.
People would pay money for this.
Right?
This is a really good balance of hot chocolate and matcha.
Pat yourself on the back, Cheryl.
Yours too. Good job.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thanks, Johnson. Oh!
Oh, there's the matcha candy.
Oh, it's like Pop Rocks. They are all familiar flavors, but like bumped up a notch, you know?
All right, last one. All right, last one.
Original traditional hot chocolate bomb. You know what I'm talking about, folks. You've seen it on TikTok. You know what is going on. Hot almond milk, and we're gonna make ourselves a little hot chocolate bomb.
Wow. Ooh, it's melting. There it goes. Oh my gosh, it's sticking afloat.
Oh. Here it goes.
Oh, there it goes. It's collapsing.
Collapse yourself. Collapse yourself. Oh my god.
Oh, bye.
That's awesome.
That was so delayed.
Cool. That was
looks-
kind of fun.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stir it up. The almond milk is getting darker and darker, and oh my god, it's hot chocolate.
That looks delicious.
That is definitely your traditional hot chocolate flavor. Brings back childhood memories.
Success!
Yeah!
Yay! We did it! I'm really excited that we made 3 balls. I was kind of not expecting us to be successful.
Yeah, I liked how we changed up the recipe and tried a few other things.
That matcha latte was pretty darn good.
Mmm, so good.
Well, that about does it for our hot chocolate bombs. Let us know in the comments below if you've made other flavors before.
We learned a lot today.
Yeah.
I hope you learned a lot too. If you liked what you saw, drop a like and a follow. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye!
Bye.